Hello, I'm Ron Jameson. I'm here today at MedTest Dx with two of our senior LC-MS scientists, Cassidy and Nikki. The MedTest Dx laboratory and manufacturing facility are located here in Canton, Michigan. Today we'd like to take a few minutes to speak to you about what we do and how it can help with the challenges you likely face with your drug confirmation testing, calibrators, controls, and standards. We will illustrate how working together provides cost savings and efficiencies when it comes to LC-MS, calibrators, controls, and internal standards.
Working at MedTest Dx, we spend a lot of our time speaking with customers to understand their desired workflow and their pain points. This customer focus is why we refer to many of our products as purpose-built. We often hear from our customers that adopting the MedTest Dx CliniTox system of calibrators, controls, and internal standards has simplified their work and eliminated the need to track an entire set of raw materials from their inventory. The laboratory must keep track of each raw material, its volume, and its expiration dating to confirm that they are ready to make the next batch of stock solution. Then, finding freezer space and tracking as many as 100 items is a big use of time.
In addition to simplifying their workflow and saving time, there is also the cost savings related to material prep. We often hear that raw materials are only used in small quantities and are discarded because they expire before they are completely used. Freeze-thaw cycles in open vials leads to evaporation, which degrades the product and creates its own set of problems. When it comes to the actual preparation of the stock solutions, assigning personnel, dedicating time, and finding space can be difficult in today's fast-paced lab.
Many customers have told us that they have experienced being distracted when preparing their calibrators, controls, and internal standards, yielding an unusable product and resulting in having to start the process all over, which is costly in both supplies and time. Lab accreditation organizations require formulation records for any items used in testing. Each raw material needs to be documented, including lot number, expiration date, and the amount being dispensed. Additionally, the technologists need to be mindful of factors that can create poor quality calibrators, controls, and internal standards, such as evaporation of the stock solutions, variation in accuracy from pipette to pipette, and calculation errors.
When a lab initially validates their test method, they determine a precise set of compounds and concentrations based on their target calibration points and cutoffs. MedTest Dx will match your stock solutions exactly to avoid the need for any method changes that might require validation. If changes happen within the laboratory, for instance, a change in instrumentation, we will work with the scientists to ensure the calibrators, controls, and internal standards continue to meet their needs. If the laboratory requires adding, removing, or changing a drug target or modifying cutoffs, we are happy to work with them on those adjustments too.
A more recent improvement that we have developed addresses the limited shelf life of calibrators and controls stored in screw-top vials. This concern was expressed by many customers, and we found a purpose-built solution. Our custom calibrators and controls are now available in single-use ampules, which significantly extends the shelf life. This also allows for much simpler inventory control and reduces waste based on short or expired dating. We work with laboratories to set the precise volume of the stock solution required to make their desired number of calibrations per ampule.
Laboratories who prepare their own calibrators, controls, and internal standards should take a look at what MedTest has to offer. We are dedicated to this type of manufacturing, and by allowing us to formulate these products for you, the financial risk can be shifted from the lab to us. We leverage our in-house expertise along with automated systems in order to ensure a reliable, accurate, and precise product provided in a timely manner. Additionally, each and every lot of our products is thoroughly tested for quality prior to release and comes with a certificate of analysis from our GMP and ISO certified facility.